Ever wrestled with the feeling of being overwhelmed by life's challenges? Ever wished for the strength to overcome obstacles with grace and resilience? Well, it all starts with building mental strength. Imagine mental strength as a muscle. The more it's trained, the stronger it becomes. So it's about time we hit that mental gym and flex those cognitive muscles. First and foremost, self-awareness is key. Recognize your emotions, understand them, maintain a journal, jot down what stirs certain feelings in you. This introspection is the first step to mastering your emotions and reactions. Next, set clear, achievable goals. Know what you want, break it down into smaller tasks. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is mental strength. Then, embrace challenges. Step out of your comfort zone, for that's where the magic happens. Every failure is a lesson learned, every challenge a stepping stone towards growth. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. Practice gratitude daily. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. This will shift your focus from the negatives to the positives, from what's lacking to what's abundant. Boundaries are essential. Learn to say no. Prioritize self-care. You can't pour from an empty cup, can you? Mindfulness and meditation can work wonders. Stay present. Stop fretting over the past. Stop worrying about the future. Meditate daily, for it's a balm to the agitated mind. Foster strong relationships. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Remember, it's a two-way street. Be there for others just as they are there for you. Limit exposure to negativity. Too much negative news can fuel anxiety and fear. Stay informed, but draw the line. Surround yourself with positivity. Develop good habits. A daily routine provides structure and a sense of normality. Prioritize sleep, for a well-rested mind is a strong mind. Finally, never stop learning. Read regularly. Attend workshops. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to build mental strength. A quote from Bhagavad Gita. The mind is the master, it is the rider. The senses are the horses. The intellect is the reins. When the mind is trained, it can control the senses and intellect. When the mind is untrained, it is like a runaway horse, and the senses and intellect drag it along. And while you're at it, do watch the movies Hidden Figures and Bhag Milka Bhag. Both films beautifully depict the theme of mental strength and resilience, providing inspiration for your journey. Remember, mental strength is not about never falling, but about always getting back up. So gear up and get ready to build that mental strength.